I love the perspective that this camera offers, even today. And what it does in terms of giving you perfect control over what you photograph is incredible. So I started out by photographing plantations, photographing product. You really prepared your mind, you looked at the light, you waited for that moment. I hope one day to be able to photograph leopard, but otherwise it's the bird life which is incredible. What we're trying to do is to promote biodiversity on the plantations, because there's a very clear link between greater biodiversity and a more sustainable plantation, not only from an environmental side, but also from an agricultural side. And it also builds climate resilience in a way that you cannot imagine. So it's very natural and logical to encourage nature, to support nature. I believe that ultimately the best way that we can show people, even the people who are the most cynical about the environment, is by linking their commercial success to nature. There's always a solution, always. It's just a question of being able to convince them. And I have no doubt that as we persist in doing so, we are going to be able to establish that link. The survival of business depends on their embracing sustainability. It is something that their customer will demand. And if they are not aware of it now, they better get aware of it, because this is a reality that is already on us. And I think that a CEO who considers leadership to be in purely financial terms is completely missing the bus. Because the fact is, today leadership encompasses the issues that are important to the world. The concept of commercial success, I believe, is going to be reframed. Conservation is great, but we need to also look at restoration. We need to look at collaboration to deliver national level outcome. We are very impatient with our level of success. People come and say, oh, you've done a wonderful job here, here and here, but it's not enough. Because we need to then say, okay, great, we've done something on one estate, we've got an amphibian, but we need to be able to partner in order to be able to deliver that on a national scale. Your images convey emotion. When you accompany that with text that explains that, look, we've got a problem, we need pictures, we need videos, we need to be able to engage.